Hello friends, this is Durga from ITversity. Today I'm going to launch a new course in Udemy, which is Apache Scoop for certifications such as CC and HDPCD. Let me go through my profile first, and then I'll get back to CC and HDPCD and what I'll be covering as part of this exclusive Scoop course. If you go to my profile by typing udemy.com/user/ITversity, you can see that I have 3 courses in Udemy. Predominantly for certifications such as HDPCD and CCA, and you can see the rating and the pricing and all those things. And beyond that, you can follow me on Facebook by clicking on this link on LinkedIn, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So there is a lot of content on YouTube where I will be covering, guiding you through overcoming the challenges as part of the learning process. So if you want to get the notifications and if you want to be part of those live sessions, just follow me on the social networking platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And if you go to my LinkedIn profile, I have close to 17,000 followers across the globe, mostly IT professionals. And you can see my profile as well as my company profile. And if you're interested, you can get connected personally on LinkedIn as well. The live sessions will be predominantly done either on Facebook or YouTube. You can follow on our Facebook page, or you can subscribe to our channel so that you get notified whenever I conduct some live sessions for troubleshooting purposes. That being said, now getting back to the curriculum. The curriculum is primarily designed for certifications such as CCA and HDPCD. And CCS have a certification called CCA Spark and Hadoop Developer. And Hortonworks have a certification called HDPCD. So these two are the certifications which have considerable coverage of Scoop. Okay. I'm clicking on the links. And going to the required skills, and you can see that CCA 175 have 3 learning objectives which are talking about Scoop. It is primarily to import data from a MySQL database into HDFS, export data to a MySQL database from HDFS, change the delimiter and file format of data during import using Scoop. And also there is a certification from Cloudera which is a bit advanced, which is called as CCP Data Engineer. Okay. Most of the curriculum with respect to Scoop between CCA and CCP are similar. You can see here, import and export data between an external RDBMS and your cluster, including the ability to import specific subsets, change the delimiter and file format of imported data during ingest, and alter the data access pattern or privileges. Okay. So these are the things which are covered as part of Scoop. In CCP Data Engineer, altering data access pattern or privileges doesn't fall under Scoop. It falls under HDFS commands. So don't worry too much about it. But with respect to Scoop, whatever they have highlighted here is included as part of the curriculum. So 2 certifications from CCA, which require good knowledge of Scoop, and 1 certification from HDPCD or Hortonworks, which is HDPCD. You can click on objectives here. And as part of the data ingestion, they're talking about Scoop import, freeform query imports, importing data into Hive, Scoop export. And these are the areas which are relevant to Scoop. And these are not Scoop related stuff. Hence, I will not be covering as part of this exclusive Scoop course. On top of it, there might be reference to Scoop in other certifications also in objective type of questions. But predominantly, these 3 are the certifications where you need good level of understanding of Scoop to execute the scenarios. And by going through the curriculum, by interacting with hundreds of people over a period of time, I came up with this curriculum, which is highly relevant for the certifications. If you just want to learn Scoop from the certification perspective, and also if you just want to understand the nuances of Scoops to make better decisions to develop data integration frameworks using Sqoop, you can go through this course. Okay, so that being said, we'll start with the documentation. We will validate the MySQL database and the other environment so that we can connect to those things, and then we slowly get into the other aspects of Sqoop. And the environment which I have used is Big Data Labs provided by ITversity itself, and I will explain about it a bit later. That being said, even if you don't subscribe to our channel, if you have a Cloudera Quickstart VM or Hortonworks Sandbox, we will try to support you so that you will be able to execute these Sqoop related tasks by yourself and make sure you understand the Sqoop in a hands-on fashion. That being said, it is highly recommended to have access to a multi-node cluster and start practicing on them rather than struggling with a single node Cloudera Quickstart VM or Hortonworks Sandbox. And we will not be supporting if you try to Sqoop on your PC directly without any virtual machines. It is not that simple of setting up Sqoop. You need to have a MySQL database, you need to have Sqoop, you need to have HDFS, you need to have multiple other things. And it's not that simple. And we will not be supporting if you try to use Sqoop on your PC by downloading from Apache. Okay, to get support, either you need to have a Cloudera Quickstart VM or Hortonworks Sandbox or subscription to our lab, or a multi-node cluster in your environment. Wherever you are, if you are struggling with respect to Sqoop while performing these tasks, we'll support you.